My machine!
Yes, Merlin?
I would like the cooked 10-grain bean mix with the grains.
Would you like the par-cooked shredded carrots, kale, and bok choy with that?
Yes, yes, and yes!
Fruit too?
Organic apple with those cotton candy green grapes cut in half lengthwise. Sounds like Merlin is a prima donna. I don't think so.
Cotton candy grapes, Yummo.
Wait, Merlin orders his food through the computer?
Why yes, I thought you knew that.
No, this is a surprise to me. Me too! Merlin, his lordship, gets special treatment.
Were you guys asleep all of this time?
Yeah, I get it. I sleep a lot.
You cats are on a special diet?
Not me! True, Angus is on a special diet. His sister is not.
You never complained before. How about a smell test?
Sniff, sniff. And the verdict is... okay. Not bad.
Suckers!
Crap!
Hurry up already!
Is his lordship always like this?
If you mean Monday through Sunday, breakfast, lunch and dinner, then yes.
It's coming! It's coming! Finally! String bean, save this for later! Yummo!
Please like and subscribe.